Hey everyone, I'm just going to go over how the trade started out today with the broken wing butterfly FORB strategy. So FORB is what I call the 5-minute opening range breakout. We got our first 5-minute candle of the day, and so I marked it with this rectangle. And the next 5-minute candle definitely closed below that. So I immediately put a bearish broken wing butterfly on. I'm in the galactic theme right now in Optionsmith, just for fun. But so this is what the risk profile looked like for that. Now, we continued to go down a little bit and then came back up and got tested. I'm just trusting the statistics and the edge in my system, so I don't really care if today that ended up going all the way up and had become a loser, but it didn't. It went back down. So it followed the majority statistic, which is that 63% of the time. From what I see, for me, it follows and continues to go down if we closed below the 5-minute opening candle, and then usually it does not come back up and finish above that close on this candle, but it can. So when we continue down here, I started to look for my ability to put a Batman on, which is adding a bullish broken wing butterfly. So here I would have to put a put butterfly on and then added risk to the side by moving this put option out. And that would create a huge, nice Batman with low risk on each side, just 105. But the problem is that I'm never seeing a break of structure to the upside to signal me to enter. So this was close right here. We broke this pullback structure, this lower high, but I didn't get a signal candle right there. So that's what kept me out, and thankfully it did keep me out. I just didn't get a real strong pullback and then reaction to this area with a bullish candle, which would have caused me to enter a Batman trade, enter a bullish broken wing butterfly. Instead, we just kept going down. We broke further. So, and it looks like we just keep going down. So if I don't put this on, I mean, it looks like we just stay in this area, and unless something with a very low probability happens and we zoom all the way back up, end up way back up here, it looks like we could just let this finish out and take our $220 profit and call it a day. If it went all the way back up here, then I could get into this profit tent and maybe finish with considerably more. And at this point, I would have to see a very strong change of character and reverse break of structure back to the upside before I would add risk onto the downside. It would be nice if I could do that, because then I could double. Potentially, it wouldn't double because we're later in the day, much later in the day, but add more profit capability here. So if I did put a Batman on like this, then we end up with a 380 profit potential in the middle. And we also end up with another tent here, which could be really nice if it finished here. But I follow my plan, and I'm not going to get into a bullish trade here unless I see very strong evidence in my discretionary part of my plan to do that. So either way, we're looking pretty good here, and it's just a kind of a normal standard trading day for my plan today. So thank you for watching. Until next time.